Bella, sedap ke tak Bella? Sedap gila kan? Ha, sumpah sedap gila. Guys, kena cuba guys. Memang sangat sedap.
We get a lot of hate.
Sedap.
Sedap gila ya ni?
Ni staple food kita. Staple food ah.
It's a British dish.
Sedap tak Najib?
Belum makan lagi. Sedap. So,
Only because of that.
so a lot of the rest
Kita tengah nak try.
the big one is our house-made cranberry sauce.
Cranberry
So you get that sweet, tart, acidic taste on there. And then here you have your meat puree, which is actually one of my favourite things on the plate. That's it's like a sweet puree to help balance out the meat in there. To help balance out.
Okay tak Cik?
Sedap gila.
Sedap gila.
Great.
Great tu. Nama pun Great Chase kan?
And the chicken one has a chicken gravy. You're there for the chicken. But the way we do
Great
chicken,
Chase,
though,
guys.
we don't simply just roast the flash, right? So the crisp just gets, the skin gets crisp. So you'll find that the meat should be quite tender.
Yeah, and the skin
Sangat sedap sih. Aku suka
If you guys
chicken.
want, we have like ketchup and chili sauce for the chips. Would you like any?
Kita jatuh.
Nak?